Hello, I'm Richard Hooper, and I'm here at Communicasia 2012 with Drew Brandy of Inmarsat. Drew, we spoke last year. What's new and exciting on the table from Inmarsat?
Well, we're here at Communicasia this year announcing the expansion of our portfolio, specifically with the launch of a new service called BGAN M2M. And it's an acronym for Machine-to-Machine Communications. We developed a bespoke BGAN terminal that enables organizations to capture data from the field and remotely interrogate devices to bring that back to a network operations center.
But what's so special about M2M? Why is there a market for it?
M2M is perhaps the buzz phrase in the communications industry at the moment, and part of the reason is because of the explosion of devices around the globe. Depending on which forecast you believe, it's indicated that the M2M market is likely to grow to between 12 and 50 billion connected devices by 2020. And organizations are increasingly looking for ways to remotely interrogate their assets, to manage them, to be able to control them from a central point. And M2M for the utilities organizations, for oil and gas, for SCADA type applications, as remote as environmental monitoring for tsunami early warning systems, is becoming quite key in enabling organizations to have access to information in real time.
Why is the BGAN system so suitable for M2M?
Well, BGAN has long delivered solutions to a broad set of customers across the media sectors, government, oil and gas, and others. It's suitable for M2M because it's a single global network that provides constant connectivity and a reliability that our customers have become very used to. The M2M market will not be served by satellite operators alone. We recognize that the dominant players will be terrestrial operators and the mobile operators. However, we're finding that a lot of organizations are looking to satellite not only to fill in the gaps, but also in recognition of the reliability of service that it provides.
So what are the trends going forward in Asia? I know we're talking about M2M, but Inmarsat covers a broad range of products, and you're obviously tracking the trends because you're good at leaping into how do you see it going?
Well, there's a number of developments that we have planned within the business. Next year, 2013, we'll launch a higher data rate service, and that's a higher data rate streaming capability for our broadcast customers that will enable them to stream at rates up to 700 kilobits per second across a device around the same size as our current BGAN terminals. And we've noted that this region really has driven the appetite for increased bandwidth, particularly for media customers, where we're seeing them daisy chain and bond terminals together to get increased capability. In 2013, we'll also begin to launch our Global Express program based on a Ka-band satellite that will offer users between 5 to 50 megabits to a terminal between 30 and 60 centimeters in diameter. So we're moving forward to keep pace with the requirements of our customers to deliver compelling propositions and solutions that take them beyond 2012 into the future.
Are there any stumbling blocks that you see coming up in terms of things that you are delivering to your customers? Because not every time a customer comes along and says, I need this, can you deliver it? Are there certain things that you think, we can't do that instantly?
The challenge always for us is pace to market, being able to deliver solutions that meet our customers' expectations, but also in the time scales that they require as well. And the explosion of technology is putting increased demand on satellite operators to be able to deliver backbone connectivity around the globe. We feel confident that we're able to meet our customers' requirements, but we are dependent upon them to also understand where they're developing new technologies and capabilities and how to interface with them in terms of the network to provide that level of support.
Now, concentrating on Asia, there's a large number of operators, and now with Eutelsat's announcement of buying the GE23, how do you stay ahead of your competition?
Inmarsat's been at the forefront of the mobile satellite industry for over 30 years. What's changed for us is we are expanding our portfolio to be able to deliver fixed satellite services as well, hence the launch of our Ka-band set of satellites. One of the founding principles of Inmarsat is the fact that we deliver a global single solution, and that will continue to differentiate our product offering from our competition and hopefully enables us to stay one step ahead.
Drew, thank you very much.